Welcome to Planforge, the leading project and portfolio management solution. In this tutorial, we will talk about effective portfolio analysis, learn how to use Planforge's Tabular Portfolio Overview, bubble chart analysis, and finally, Planforge's unique project cockpits for confident project decisions. The portfolio analysis tutorial consists of two parts. This is part 1. The main application of portfolio analysis is to support you in your decision-making process regarding your strategic project portfolio management. In other words, providing you with relevant and up-to-date information to decide which projects to start, continue, or even cancel. To analyse a portfolio, select it in the Project Navigator and switch to the Analyse tab. The Analyse tool offers several ways to view your portfolio. The first view is the Tabular Portfolio Overview. It shows all projects in your portfolio and how they rate against a number of different criteria. Planforge supports both manually rated top-down criteria and automatic bottom-up criteria that are linked to project fields. As usual, you can define your criteria freely in the System Settings area. The score to the very right is automatically calculated based on all criteria ratings, optionally weighted based on scoring models. Let's move on to the next view, the bubble chart. This view visualises your projects in up to 4 dimensions based on selected criteria. The bubble chart is the classical tool for evaluating whether projects should be started, continued, or cancelled. Under View Types, you can choose between previously saved bubble chart configurations. You can configure the criteria mapped to the X and Y axes, as well as the colour and the size of the bubbles. In addition, you can choose between different types of quadrants. Save your bubble chart configuration as a new view type for easy future reuse. It is also possible to save the bubble chart as an image. Just click the right mouse button and select Save as Image. The last view is Planforge's unique portfolio visualization in contrast to a classic bubble chart. These project cockpits visualize up to 12 project dimensions simultaneously. It provides you with a comprehensive overview of your project portfolio. Let's take a closer look at each visualized project dimension. The fill level of the central circle displays the degree of completeness of the project. The inner loop visualizes earned value progress regarding dates, effort, and costs respectively. The colour of each progress bar denotes the dynamic traffic light. The coloured process arrow at the top displays the current pipeline stage. The outer smaller bubbles show the top-level activities of your project with their percentage complete fill levels. Finally, if the risk traffic light switched to yellow or red, it would be displayed as a yellow or red exclamation mark in the very centre of the project cockpit. You can use your portfolio analysis criteria together with the project cockpits by defining a 1- or 2-dimensional layout. Just like for the bubble charts view, you can again save the project cockpit configurations as view types. In part 2 of this tutorial, you will learn how to rate your projects and customize criteria and scoring models to the needs of your organization. Make project decisions in an easy and efficient way with Planforge's portfolio analysis tool. Align your projects with your strategic business goals and use your resources in the most profitable way. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Planforge empowers teams to make projects work. Start your first project now at www.planforge.io.